Having natural hair is the most annoying and wonderful thing ever, all at the same time. How is that possible? But if you're natural, you definitely understand. When I don't feel like doing my natural hair, I resort to wearing my favorite wigs, which I call my wig scarf or hair scarf. And I get a lot of questions on how I apply it. So if that's you, then keep on watching. Hello curls, welcome back to my channel. Yes, y'all, I'm still preggers. The baby is still here. Can you guys see the bump? The bump is still here. Emotion. But yeah, bump is still here. It's popping. Just like this wig. But anyway, yes, today's video is a wig video. I was about to go take some pictures for Instagram, and since I was putting my wig on anyway, I was like, I might as well film how I put it on, which is very lazy. It's a lazy way of doing it, but this is what I do, like for real. Like, this isn't going to be like one of those intricate like wig slam videos. No ma'am. We stick to the basics over here. We stick to the basics with hair, makeup, clothes, decor, all of that. Minimalism. But anyway, if you're interested, keep on watching. First, I always start with clean hair, and my hair is super moisturized and I just have flat twists, and then I put a wig cap on. And this wig cap doesn't really match my skin tone, so I use a little bit of concealer to, make sure it blends with my skin. Next, I just put on the wig. Like that simple. And I always try to brush the hairline back. That way I can make sure that I'm not going to be spraying the hair too much with this blasting freeze spray. So next I just use a cool setting to blow dry the edges. And again, I'm using the Got To Be Glue freeze spray in the yellow can. You have to use the yellow can. It's the only one that really works. And as you can see, I'm pulling the hairline more forward, like near my forehead. And I do this because I don't want it to mess up my hair. So it's better to just put it on your forehead. And also notice I'm going section by section. So this really helps you make sure the hairline is really stuck to your forehead. Because if you just spray it all at once, it's not going to stick. So just do like the sides first. I mean, one side, the middle, and then the last side. So basically do it in thirds. If you notice that your hair is getting too stuck to the lace or to your forehead, just use a brush to kind of brush it back, because you don't want that too slick look, like where all the hair is just like super hard and stuck to the lace. It's not a good look, y'all. So just keep on brushing it out and then go back to blow drying, because we're trying to melt the lace to our hairline, our scalp, not necessarily the hair. So next, once it's dry, I like to put a scarf on my edges just so we can make sure they're really laid. And at this point, it's kind of an anchor as well, so you can brush out your wig at this point, because usually if you try to brush it without a scarf on, you could like mess up what you just did and the wig will come loose. So just make sure that you have this scarf on your edges before you start brushing too hard. But I'm just going to keep on the scarf for a little bit, and once I think that the edges are dry, I'll take it off. Let me know if you guys like the more natural edges. This is like how the wig came. And now we're going to try to do some baby hair, which I'm not really good at, but we're going to try it. So I don't want to mess it up. So this is before. So for the baby hair, we're going to brush it out. We're going to attempt to do some baby hair. But we're still not going to do any like dramatic baby hair. It's just not my thing. I'm trying not to lift up what we already did. So I'm going to spray some more. Spray some more. And now I'm just going to kind of do some baby hair. And I'm using my viewfinder as a mirror. Now, I'm definitely not cutting baby hair because I just don't want that permanent baby hair look. I'd rather just make my own little swoop-de-woops. So I'm making my swoops and kind of like bringing it back. And I guess we can make one up here, since we didn't do that many. Let's do one more. And you can use the gel too, but I think the spray works the best. Alright, so we got that. I'm going to blow dry. We did about 4 or 5 swoops or whatever for our baby hair look. What do you guys think? I actually like it. I thought it was going to be a little bit too dramatic, but I think it looks pretty good, even though I'm more of a fan of the natural hairline. Let me know, which one do you guys like in the comments. Comment right now. Press pause, but come back. I was about to go and take some Instagram pictures, and I was like, you know what? I'm doing my wig anyway, so I might as well film it. And it's really easy. It's not even worth a video, but I have been getting a lot of questions about this wig since I've been rocking it on Instagram. But this is my new favorite wig. I used to love wearing this other straight wig that I made myself with elfin hair, but this one is actually a wig from Rpgshow. I'll have all the information in the description box, but let me tell you. But this is Touched by Tim 006, and let's see, how long is this hair? This is 20 inches, but I think it's longer. And this is a lace front wig. So the front of it is lace. The lace goes back pretty far. So shout out to Rpgshow for sending this wig over. But yeah, that's pretty much what I do. And I curled this hair with a flat iron. I didn't do a tutorial or anything, but to look similar to what it looks like on the website. But usually I wear this hair bone straight. I just love the bone straight look. Oh my god, it was so pretty when I first got it. Well, when I first flat ironed it. Also, definitely when you get this wig, you have to wash and deep condition it. Like, it's just, you'll see, like, the wig goes up a few notches when you wash, deep condition, blow dry, and flat iron. I mean, it gets so silky and straight. Like, right now it looks pretty full, and it is a pretty dense wig, but when you straighten it, it does get, of course, more silky, and it lays. But I like it both ways. But I'm about to go take some pictures right quick. Hopefully this was helpful. I just recorded a few of the steps. And honestly, I just wanted y'all's opinion more so on if you like this baby hair look, which isn't too dramatic because I don't really like baby hair. Or do you like the natural wig hairline? I personally like the natural one, but I'm not talking about what I like. I want to know what you guys like. So let's discuss in the comment section. What do you guys like? Do you like the natural hairline, or are you still into this whole baby hair trend? I would love to see what you guys think below. I will be responding and, you know, talking with you guys because I miss y'all. I haven't posted a video in almost a month. But y'all, I have so much content to film because Ryan is coming. And I have so much baby stuff over there that I want to like show you guys. So, yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Also, don't forget, whenever I do wig videos with Rpgshow or My First Wig, because those are my favorite companies, my coupon code is just Yolanda, and I think it's $50 off. So if you go to the website, make sure you use my code to get that money off. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you Rpgshow for this wig. I've been rocking it pretty much every day, keeping my hair under all of this. And my hair looks amazing, by the way. Y'all be tripping because I don't be doing natural hair content, but y'all, my hair is flourishing because I take care of it and I put it away. But anyway, I call my wigs my hair scarf. It's like a scarf to me. Like, even when I style my hair, when I style my natural hair, like if I do like flat twist or something, I always put a wig on because I use it literally as a scarf, and then the next day it's popping. So yeah, but anyway, bye you guys.